Ever wondered how to make $25,000 per month with a simple side hustle? Welcome to the world of AI-designed mugs, a lucrative side business that could potentially turn your financial life around. In this video, we'll journey through the ins and outs of this novel venture, from crafting eye-catching art that sells to mastering the perfect prompt and exploring diverse money-making options. We've got it all covered. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First, let's talk about what it means to sell AI mugs. Imagine a mug, but it's not your average run-of-the-mill kind of mug. These are mugs with designs created by artificial intelligence. That's right, the designs aren't made by humans. They're the product of complex algorithms and machine learning, resulting in unique, eye-catching art that's perfect for jazzing up your morning coffee or tea. Now, why do these AI mugs have a potential market, you ask? Well, in a world where everyone is looking for something unique and personalized, these mugs are a hit. They offer a one-of-a-kind experience, a piece of art that is unlike any other. Plus, with the rise of e-commerce and the ease of online shopping, selling these AI mugs has never been easier. Sounds interesting, right? But you must be wondering, how much can you really make? So, how much can you actually make by selling AI mugs? Well, let's dive right into the numbers. Picture this. You've designed an AI mug and listed it for $20. After production and other costs, your profit per mug could be around $10. Now, if you manage to sell just 5 mugs a day, that's $50 daily, or $1,500 a month. But let's not stop there. If you scale up your operations, get more designs out there, and start selling 20 mugs a day, that's $200 daily, multiply that by 30, and you're looking at a cool $6,000 a month. And guess what? Some of the top sellers in this space are making upwards of $25,000 a month. That's the equivalent of a high-end salary, all from selling AI mugs. Impressive, isn't it? But how do you get started? You're probably thinking it's complicated, right? It's not. With the rise of AI and e-commerce, setting up your mug-selling venture can be done in a snap. Start by finding a supplier. There are various online platforms offering customizable mugs in bulk. Choose one that fits your budget and quality requirements. Next, set up an online store. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy make it easy to launch your own digital storefront. You can customize your shop to reflect your brand's personality and appeal to your target customers. Once your shop is live, it's time to list your AI mugs. Write compelling product descriptions and use high-quality images to attract potential buyers. Don't forget, shipping and handling are key aspects too. Offer a clear and fair shipping policy to avoid any potential disputes. That's it, you're all set up. But what kind of designs should you sell? It's not just about selling any design, it's about selling designs people want. Now let's talk about creating mug art that sells. Firstly, consider your market. Knowing your audience and their preferences is key. Are they coffee lovers who might appreciate a witty quote about mornings? Or maybe they're comic book fans who'd love a mug featuring a minimalist superhero sketch. The next step is to make your designs unique and eye-catching. Use bold colors and clean lines. Remember, your design needs to pop even when it's sitting on a crowded kitchen shelf. Play around with different styles from abstract art to cute cartoons until you find what resonates with your audience. Lastly, keep it simple. Complicated designs can be hard to reproduce on a small surface like a mug. A simple, striking design will have a much better impact and will be easier to print. Now that you have your designs, how do you get them to your customers? Now let's talk about getting those amazing designs in front of your customers. You see, it's not enough to have a fantastic product, you've got to know how to sell it. And that's where crafting great prompts comes in. Prompts are like mini advertisements, designed to capture your customers' attention and ignite their interest in your product. They're the hook that draws your audience in, so they need to be compelling, unique, and engaging. Think about what makes your AI mug stand out. Is it the innovative technology, the quirky designs, or maybe it's the personalization options? Whatever it is, your prompts should highlight these unique selling points. Remember, the goal is to pique curiosity and create a desire for your product. So don't be afraid to be creative, bold, and even a little bit cheeky with your prompts. But what if you're stuck for prompt ideas? Don't worry, we've all been there. Here's a hack to never run out of prompt ideas. Let's dive in. Imagine a well that never runs dry. That's what you want your prompt supply to be. So how do we get there? It's simpler than you think. One strategy is to use a prompt generator. There are plenty of free tools out there that can give you a nudge in the right direction. Another method is brainstorming. Start with a single word, say summer. Now, let your mind wander. Think about all the things that summer brings to mind. Maybe it's the beach or ice cream or a barbecue. Each of these can be a potential prompt. And remember, you're not alone in this. Connect with other enthusiasts, share ideas, and create a community where creativity flows freely. So there you have it, a well of prompt ideas, always ready, always overflowing. Now you have an endless supply of prompts, but how do you maximize your profits? Let's talk about how to make the most money from your AI mug business. Maximizing profits isn't just about selling a heap of mugs, it's about smart selling, and that's where strategies like upselling, cross-selling, and repeat customer strategies come into play. Upselling is your best friend. You've got a customer interested in a standard mug? Great. Now suggest they upgrade to a premium or limited edition version. You'd be surprised how often people go for it. Cross-selling is another ace up your sleeve. Why not suggest a matching coaster or a stylish mug holder? The customer gets a complete package and you get a fatter profit margin. Let's not forget our repeat customers. Loyalty programs, exclusive discounts, limited edition releases. These are all tools to keep your customers coming back for more. Each of these strategies, if used wisely, can significantly boost your income from selling AI mugs. But what about creating a realistic product image? Creating a mock-up doesn't have to be difficult. Now let's dive into how you can create quick and easy product mock-ups for your online store. First off, there's no need to be an expert in graphic design. There are numerous tools available online that can create professional-looking mock-ups in just a few clicks. Websites like Place or Mockup World offer a variety of templates for you to choose from. You simply upload your design, select the mug type, and voila, your mock-up is ready. Remember, a good mock-up gives your customers a clear idea of what they're buying. It showcases your design in a realistic setting, making it easier for potential customers to visualize the product in their own hands. And here's a pro tip. Use mock-ups in different settings. Show your mug in a cozy home setup, in an office environment, even outdoors. This helps customers imagine the product in their own lives. That's it, you're all set. But before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips. Here are a few bonus tips to make your AI mug business even more successful. Firstly, consistency is key. Make sure your online presence is uniform across all platforms. This not only enhances your brand image, but also makes your products easily recognizable. Secondly, don't underestimate the power of social proof. Encourage customers to leave reviews and share pictures of their purchases. This creates trust and encourages potential customers to buy. Now let's look at some common errors. One major mistake is underpricing your products. Yes, competitive pricing is important, but don't undervalue your work. Make sure to factor in all costs and remember your time is valuable. Another common error is neglecting customer service. Remember, a satisfied customer is a repeat customer. Address their queries promptly and resolve any issues swiftly. The last error we'll touch upon is ignoring market research. Keep an eye on trends and what your competitors are doing. Adapting to the market is crucial in staying ahead. In summary, maintain a consistent brand image, encourage customer reviews, price your products appropriately, prioritize customer service, and keep an eye on market trends. Avoid underpricing, neglecting customer service, and ignoring market research. These tips and error fixes will propel your AI mug business towards success. That's all for today. Now go out there and make some money with your new side hustle.